having a diverse and rich resource-based economy, which includes manufacturing and exportation of digital technology goods, exports concerning automotives, construction and exportation of ships, plus diverse and rich resources such as hydrocarbons and industrial minerals such as the ones known worldwide: asphalt, gold, granite, graphite, marble, among others. Ghana is thriving not only economically, but politically in order to continuously be among the most influential countries in Africa. Ghana's infrastructural development is growing steadily, with a number of construction and digital projects the country is putting in place in order to boost its economic growth and development. In this video, looking at a number of mega projects Ghana is coming up with from 2024 through 2025 and on is our concern. The second train gas processing plant project. Being a joint venture between Ghana National Gas Company and partners, this second gas processing plant is to be constructed at Achuabo in the Elembli district of the western region of Ghana. At a cost of over $700 million, the plant is expected, after completion, to have a nominal capacity of 150 million standard cubic feet of gas per day, which is expandable to 300 million cubic feet of gas per day. The plant will also include the processing of incremental raw gas volumes from the Greater Jubal and 10 fields. Being part of Ghana National Gas Company's strategic development plan of increasing gas processing capacity, the plant will make a total of 450 million cubic feet of gas per day processed in Ghana. The project will include a storage facility and an additional compressor station and provision of utilities and liquid waste treatment system. Ghana Smart Schools project. This project of smart schools will include giving out about 1.3 million educational tablets to students in senior high schools and construction of 100 smart schools in all 16 regions of this West Africa country. While representing a marvelous investment in Ghana's education future, the project is aiming at transforming not only classrooms, but also teaching methods, infrastructure and educational programs correlating with 21st century ideas. With focus on national digitalization, by using technology concerning education, the devices being provided will provide easy access to online educational resources. With construction of first 30 smart schools being underway, where the remaining 70 smart schools will follow later, the schools will be equipped with modern infrastructure, such as computer labs, interactive classrooms and digital learning tools. Ghana's government is on an ambitious journey of further investment in education and preparation of the upcoming generation of leaders and innovators. Asafo Sewage Treatment Facility Expansion Project. With an aim of benefiting more households and institutions, the Asafo sewage system is to be expanded to cover 500 households and 29 institutions, covering an area of 45 hectares with about 320 dwellings. housing about 4,000 households, making up 20,000 people. Presently it allows 35 households and 14 institutions, including Kumasi Technical University. Other institutions which are being expected to be added to the system include Kumasi prisons and toilets only from Lekomfo Anochi Teaching Hospital. Being under the Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources of Ghana, the project is expected to be completed at the end of 2025. The project's total cost is expected to be more than $35 million. Koulbi hydropower project. This 68 megawatts hydropower plant is being constructed on Black Volta or basin in Upper West, Ghana. Being developed on a single-phase basis, the plant is being developed and currently owned by Volta River Authority. This hydropower plant is expected to generate over 392 gigawatt-hours of electricity. At a cost of over $125.803 million, the plant will consist of 3 turbines. The project is expected to be complete come 2026. Volta River Authority is a state-owned energy utility company which generates, transmits, and distributes electricity in Ghana. Takoradi floating dock project. This project of a modern floating dock facility includes construction of a 200-meter jetty adjacent to the floating dock pocket, dredging of 300,000 cubic meters of rock from the seabed within the port basin, procuring and installation of a 13,500-ton lift capacity floating dock, and setting up an integrated workshop comprising main offices including management, client, engineering, logistics, accounts administration, and IT offices. The project will also include a main warehouse, steel and pipe fabrication workshop, mechanical and electrical workshop, blasting and an equipment maintenance shop. With funding from African Development Bank and implementation by Primeridium Floating Dock Company, the facility targets a number of vessels such as container vessels, bulk carriers, tankers, drilling rigs plus offshore support vessels. This facility's repair and maintenance scope includes dockage, whole part, engine works, electrical plus general and auxiliary services. Meinergy Solar PV Park Project. This 1,000 megawatts solar PV power project is being constructed by Meinergy Technology Company Limited, Ghana. Being developed in multiple phases, the inverters for this project will be procured from Huawei Digital Power Technologies. The project is expected to enter into commercial operation in 2025. Meinergy Technology Company Limited is a developer of solar power with headquarters in Ghana. Roten Power Plant Project. This 660 megawatts dual-fuel-fired power project is to be constructed in Western Ghana. Being developed in multiple phases, the project developer is Roten Power Company. This combined cycle gas turbine power plant will obtain fuel from West African gas pipeline and is to consist of one steam turbine. The power generated from this plant will be sold to Electricity Company of Ghana under a power purchase agreement for a period of 20 years. Siemens Energy is to provide turbines for this project, including 2 units of F-class gas turbines, plus carrying out operations and maintenance for a period of 20 years.